students and audience. We are from 2 representing grade 7 Del Pilar. Today, we present you our live commercial demonstrating bandwagon propaganda techniques. We invite you to observe our presentation now.
Ding 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 ding! Come on kids, try our best mini donuts!
Our mini donuts belongs to delicious every day.
Hey ladies, why don't you guys try the mini donuts over here? We have tried because it was very tasty.
Yeah, many people come to buy their mini donuts because it's not just for us, but it's super duper delicious.
Yes, right. I swear to God, we love it. Later, look, yes, and I can smell the Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to our shop. I think you should try our most famous and popular flavor, strawberry. And you can also get a free unicorn headband when you buy.
People love our mini donuts, not only because it's tasty, but it's also